Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of Google Ads series, we will understand an option which is by default switched on inside your Google Ads dashboard whenever you create a new campaign, and that is the campaign setting. Inside that campaign setting option, you get the option of networks. As you can see on my screen, whenever you create a campaign, inside the campaign setting option, you get this option that is networks, and by default these two options are switched on. I am currently, just for example, I am creating a search campaign, so that's why these are the two options. So what is the meaning of these two checkboxes, and should you keep it as it is or should you switch it off, or what is the meaning of these? So first thing is Google Search Partner Network recommended. Second is Google Display Network recommended. Now, since from very beginning we discussed about the Google Display Network, that is Google partnering with third-party website, mobile applications to show its advertisement onto their platform to reach to a wider range of audience. So that is called Google Display Network. It means whenever you are creating a campaign and if you have this option as enabled, it means your advertisement, irrespective of whether it is a search ad, display ad, shopping ad, app install ad, irrespective of your objective, it will start showing on those Google Display Network, means partnered website. But if you are running a specific campaign, let's say search campaign, and if you want your audience to be in the search engine result pages only by searching some keyword, and you don't want to showcase your advertisement on the third party website, then you can switch it off. Now the question comes, sir, why do you want to reduce your audience or narrow down your audience? Of course, Google Display Network provides you variety of audience, more reach to the audience, but the problem is as soon as you enable this option, your funds will be exhausted soon, because now Google is allowed to display your ads on multiple websites, whether it is relevant, irrelevant. If you have not properly targeted, then your daily budget will be exhausted soon. And if your target audience is on google.com itself, and if you want only high interested users only, then this option will not be recommended for you. And the first option is Google Search Partner Networks. It means apart from google.com, there are other partners as well. Let's say there are other search engines where Google is also able to show their advertisement. If you don't want to showcase your advertisement on that particular platform as well, then you can switch it off. By default, this will be always switched on, and I have seen multiple beginners doing the same mistake, that they always keep these two options as it is without thinking that what is the consequences, and when they analyze the final results at the end of the day or week or month, they don't able to analyze this, why your CPC is high, why their impressions are very high but conversion is low, CPC is low, or CTR is low. The reason is this only. I'm not saying that these options are bad, but these are the options which need to be taken care while selecting that campaign type and based on your campaign requirement. So this was the option which you get inside your campaign setting, and very essential when it comes to reaching your audience and reaching your exact target audience. So guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.